So to convert any image from color to black and white, we have basically three formulas. So we can pick up any pixel in our image and it will have an RGB value. So to convert this RGB value to a single grayscale value, we can use three different formulas. So the first one being minimum of RGB plus maximum of RGB and take the average of it. So this is the first one. The second formula being R plus G plus B and the average of all three. The third one, and which is devised by researchers, because not all the three colors they contribute equally to the complexity and the contrast in the picture. So we can use 0.59 times green plus 0.3 times red plus 0.11 times blue. So basically, the green component has the maximum contribution, whereas the blue component has the least contribution. So if you see in our image, we have yellow. These pixels are yellow. So RGB for yellow will be 255, 255, 0. So for the first formula, we will get 255 plus 0 divided by 2. For the second formula, we will get 255 plus 255 plus 0 divided by 3. And for the third formula, we'll get some other values that you can calculate. So here we will get 127.5. Here we will get 70. And here also we'll get some kind of value. So we can see that every color produces a different grayscale values. However, the same grayscale value can be produced by different colors also. So for example, in this formula, if we had 255, 0 and 255, it would have produced the same grayscale value. So the grayscale values are not unique and it can be produced by a different variety of numbers also.